My second technology for the AEP 800 is the Google Drive. My name is Drew Walter, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this Google app that is free and is a great app for having spreadsheets, presentations, different documents that can be shared with staff, students, and parents. It's free, it's very user-friendly. My district has switched to Google for email and apps, and so the Drive has now become an important app for all schools in our district. The Google Drive is great for special education teachers because they can keep data for students' IEP goals using the spreadsheets. Student schedules can be easily accessed. Medical documents, meeting notes can be stored there and accessed by all staff. This program is very user-friendly and is good for any teacher to use in their classroom. My audience today is intended for special education coworkers. This program could be used in the classroom for students to keep their assignments in, to share documents with teachers, and for other coworkers to share documents. But I'm going to concentrate on using Google Docs for special education staff members. This program allows staff to have access to student records and schedules at all times. When using Google Docs, the standards that this meets is it's an effective communication and collaboration device, and all stakeholders can use this digital tool. The program has promoted social interactions among my staff, and the use of this by the use of the technology and the information that can be stored in the Google Docs. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to use the Google Docs. First, you're going to go to the Google website. And once you get to the Google website, in the top corner, you will be able to sign in, sign out. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to keep it signed in as we go through this program, but you would need to have a Google email to sign in to your Google Docs. You'll click right here in the icon and you'll go down to the Google Drive, and this triangle sign here, this is the Google Drive sign. Once you get to the Google Drive, you are able to create your documents. You can have different folders set up where you can store your documents in. If you're ready to create a new document or set up your Drive, you can add a folder and you'll add the name of what project you're going to be saving in it. You can upload files from Microsoft Word to the Google Docs. The three different types of documents that you can create here are Google Docs, which is similar to a Microsoft Word document, Google Sheets, which is similar to Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides, which is similar to PowerPoint. There are other features that you can use in the Google Drive, and those are listed below here. This has been very successful with my special education staff. I'm going to show you right here. I work with students with multiple disabilities, and the student and staff schedule is very important. And here we have our staff, and then below, what I'm going to do is show you what a day schedule looks like. And so with this, with the Google Sheets, you're able to create an Excel sheet. And as you see here, it's color coded, so all of my staff is color coded with the students and where they're going to be throughout the day and what the students are supposed to be doing. It also lists the vehicles that they're supposed to ride in. So at my school, the schedule is very important. When you're done, you can just go up to the top, you'll click out of the program, and it takes you right back to the Drive. And so it's just an easy way to access your forms. I store meeting notes, nurses forms, different student individual schedules, which allows allows my staff to access it through the iPads or the computers so they know where they're supposed to be, what the students are supposed to be doing at all times. When you're done with the Google Drive, you can go back over and then you just sign out, and everything goes back to the Google, and you are ready to sign back into your email or get into other accounts. I would like to thank you today for listening to my presentation.